Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Do you have some furry friends that will not leave you or your furniture alone? If that's the case, then you need to check out this awesome pet deterrent tape. This is from Panther Armor, and I'm telling you, legit, it really works. This is a scratch deterrent training tape. And what that means is that it is a double-sided tape that's nice and clear, so you can barely see it on your furniture, but it will train your cats to stay away. As soon as they come up to this, after putting it on, they immediately did not like that sticky feeling on their paws. In fact, most humans don't like it either. I really like the tape because it's very see-through and clear looking. Unless you go up really close, you really can't tell that it's there. And we've had quite a few episodes of everybody coming up to the couch and not realizing that it's there. You cannot use this on leather or vinyl or any other furniture. It really works best on fabric. However, it was such an easy process to apply. Once your cats are used to that tape being there, you have the option to take it off. So they still think it's there, but you know that it's not. And voila, you have pets that are trained to not scratch your couch. This training tape was so easy to work with. It's not overly visible and ugly, and it really works to train your cats. It's easy to come off. It doesn't do anything to your furniture when you take it off, and I'm super happy because I want my pets to love me and not my furniture. But that's my point of view.